Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Ceccotti bicycles frames. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Ceccotti RF27. Specifications. Brand name, Ceccotti. Model number, RF27. Surface processing mode, gloss. Customized, yes. Use, road bicycles. Weight, 1710G, size 52 centimeters. Material, carbon. Folded, no. Cable, full hidden cable. Warranty, 2 years. Product number 4, Ceccotti DIY color for gravel frame. Specifications. Brand name, Ceccotti. Model number, RF25. Surface processing mode, gloss. Customized, yes. Use, road bicycles. Weight, 1550G, size M without parts. Material, carbon. Folded, no. Cable, full hidden cable. Warranty, 2 years. Product number 3, Ceccotti carbon mountain bike frame. Specifications. Brand name, Ceccotti. Model number, DCMF08. Surface processing mode, gloss. Customized, yes. Use, mountain bikes. Weight, 1040 grams, size 17 without parts. Material, carbon. Folded, no. BB type, BSA. Seat post, 31.6 millimeters. Warranty, 2 years. Product number 2, Ceccotti Factory RF27. Specifications. Brand name, Ceccotti. Model number, RF27. Surface processing mode, matte. Customized, yes. Use, road bicycles. Weight, 1650 grams, 52 centimeters. Material, carbon. Folded, no. Bottom bracket, T47BB, 68 mm wide. Wheels, 700C. Warranty, 2 years. Product number 1, Ceccotti DCMF07. Specifications. Brand name, Ceccotti. Model number, DCMF07. Surface processing mode, gloss. Customized, yes. Use, mountain bikes. Weight, 970 grams, size 15 without parts. Material, carbon. Folded, no. BB type, BB92. Warranty, 2 years.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.